Hi everyone, some of you may have noticed scaffolding has recently gone up at Cyfarthfa Castell. As many of you will know, major restoration works began in the new year to address critical structural issues and to help protect and preserve this much-loved historic building for future generations to come. While these important works are ongoing, the museum and tea rooms will remain closed. However, I'm pleased to say that all going well, they could reopen in the coming weeks. The castle grounds are still open, so residents and visitors can continue to enjoy the space, take a walk and make use of the park as usual. So please keep an eye out on our socials for further updates. The council is currently developing a potential bid for the UK Town of Culture. Yesterday, I attended an event at Merthyr Central Library which brought together local organisations, community groups and businesses, giving them the opportunity to share ideas, experiences and ambitions for Merthyr Tudful and to help shape what this bid could really look like. It's really important that as many voices are heard as possible, and if you'd like to have your say, a public consultation is now live. I'd strongly encourage you to take a few minutes to get involved and share your views. Your input will help ensure the bid truly reflects our communities and our borough. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, and I hope you all have a wonderful time celebrating, whether that's with a partner, family or friends. We also have Pancake Day on the 17th of February, so I hope you're all getting ready with your batter, toppings and frying pans. And finally, Kids Eat Free offer a £1 returns this half term. Be sure to check out Money Saving Central's website for a full list of the participating restaurants. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend, enjoy your half term and I'll see you all again soon. Diolch.